The first thing you'll need to do is get your own domain. The second thing you'll need to do is get hosting for that domain. So if you think about it, your domain is really just the address to your business. Okay, if you have your own product, or if you're just forwarding your domain to an affiliate offer, it's still like your address on the internet for your business. The hosting is more or less your house for your business. So everything that you do on your website will be on your hosting account. All of your documents, your videos, everything you have will be hosted on your hosting account. So you need both. They work together. And they're very affordable. Okay, a lot of people think that this kind of stuff is really expensive and they shy away from it. But really, first thing is it's really just an investment in your business. You know, getting a return from your business is all about investing and taking the time to make the right choices and take the right steps. And getting your own domain and getting your own hosting is definitely the right step. So the first thing you want to do is find your domain. So here at namecheap.com, it's one of the most affordable places to find a domain. And basically what you do is you come down here and you start searching for a domain that you might want. So let's try one, the obvious one for making money online niche. How about internetmarketing.com? Nope, not even nothing. No info, no IN, no org, nothing's available. Okay, we figured that. Let's try a little longer one and see how we can see what's available. MakeMoneyOnline.com. Probably the same. Yep, all taken. So you might have to try this out a few times. Try your hand. How about weight loss secrets? Okay, so there's a weightlossecrets.me available. All the others are taken. I recommend that you get the .com. The .com's the best. There just seems to be some sort of credibility with that, especially if you're going to have your own product. So how about secrets to losing fat fast? That's a long one, probably a little too long, but typically with the longer tail keywords here we can get a more of a probability of success. Alright, here we go. Secrets to losing fat fast.com is $10.69 a year. Okay, so as you can see, that's nothing really. So basically what you'll do once you decide on your niche and decide what area you're trying to work in here, you'll get your domain. Okay, and then you're going to point your domain to your hosting account. So the first thing we need to do is sign up for a hosting account. Before we do that, the process here at Namecheap is just to go here to sign up. Once you sign up, actually I think once you go to buy this, it'll give you a chance to sign up. Yeah, add to cart. There you go. And you'll do once you hit checkout, you'll sign up, you'll give them some information, and they'll go ahead and add your domain to your account, and then you'll have free WhoisGuard for 1 year, which is great. WhoisGuard keeps people from being able to find you on the internet. It hides all your information. So you know, if you don't want to have all your address and your name and all that just public info, so WhoisGuard's great for that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Hostzilla, and here we see that Hostzilla has first class Hostzilla traffic from $5.95, cPanel, unlimited email accounts, domain hosting, and I'll show you how to set all that up. Basically what you want to do is sign up now. Okay, and then here you see you can choose your plan. All of the plans have unlimited storage space, unlimited bandwidth. You get a free domain, setup's free, all this stuff's cool. Okay, so right here we see this one's $5.95 a month. So let's click on order now. And then here we have two options. We can enter a new domain name, which we'll buy depending on what plan we choose with Hostzilla. But I like going to Namecheap first, mainly because I like separating the accounts, but really because it's cheaper to go to Namecheap than it is to buy a domain here. Okay, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So what we want to do is just say I'll update my DNS settings. So here we would say This is one of my domains, breakfreefromfat.com. So we'd hit continue. Alright, and then in here you would enter your billing information. Okay, so down here it automatically defaults you to the 36-month price, which would come out to $5.95 per month with the free domain. But you probably aren't going to want to start with that. So what you can do is go to the 1-month price, which is $12.95 plus a $9.95 setup fee. And you can remove all this because we already got the free domain privacy with Namecheap. Automated daily backup. If you want that, you can have it. You don't have to. You don't need all this stuff. You can always update it later if you want to. So we've got our domain that was $10 on Namecheap. Okay, it would have been like 12 or 13 bucks here. And then so we see for $12.95 a month plus a $9.95 setup fee. For $22.90 we've got our hosting account, and then it would just be $12.95 per month. Now obviously if you're willing to pay a little bit more up front, if you're willing to pay $11.95 per month for 6 months, then you wouldn't have the setup fee, and it would just be 71 bucks. So it really just comes down to, you know, what you want to do. And then you can do the 12-month price, which is $10.95 a month, which would give you the free domain. But like I said, we already set up our domain in Namecheap, so we don't even need to do that. So you know, maybe just first starting out, you go with this one just to get your feet wet and see what's up. Okay, and then you just enter your credit card information and click continue. And what they're going to do is they're going to send you information to your email. It's going to give you your login, it's going to give you your password, and it's going to give you your hosting name servers, which you're going to need to go into your Namecheap account and update, because that's what you said you would do when you signed up. So basically what that's going to do is it's going to point your domain to your hosting account, where then from your hosting account you can pull it up and start accessing it. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to Namecheap.com, and I'm going to sign into my account. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Okay, so here at Namecheap.com, I'm in my account now. I'm going to go to Domains. I'm going to go to Manage Domains, and I'm going to pull up one of my domains. So this is one of my accounts. I've got this Break Free from Fat. And by the way, if you see this little guy right here, that means your WhoisGuard is protected. So here's one of my domains. It's Fast Traffic Fortune. So I'll click on that. And then I'm going to click here on Transfer DNS to Web Host. So you'll see here there's 2 with stars next to them. That's where you're going to need to put your hosting information. I'm going to put a link under this video to show you exactly how to do that. But really what you have to do is take these 2. It's ns1.hostzilla.com and ns2.hostzilla.com, and you'll just copy and paste. Copy and paste. Cool. And then you'll save changes. Fantastic. And that's all you have to do with your Namecheap account. Okay, so all you really have to do is go in and point your Namecheap account to your hosting, and you can do everything else from your hosting account. So when you log into your hosting account, you're basically going to log in at a cPanel. So when you get your email, once you sign up, they're going to send you a link to the cPanel. But the cPanel is always going to be cPanel.yourdomain.com or whatever it is. So when I first set up my hosting account, I set it up with a website called lavishlovelife.com. Okay, so my main account in my hosting is lavishlovelife.com. So what I would do is just go to cPanel.lavishlovelife.com, and then I'll go ahead and log in. Okay, now I'm inside my cPanel. Okay, so when I originally logged into my cPanel, everything was already set up for me. Okay, I already had a username, I already had everything already set up. So what you can do once you're inside your hosting account is, one cool thing you can do is you can change your email. So you can click here at email accounts, and you can actually create your own email. Okay, so you could create your own email, which would be your name at yourwebsite.com. So that gives you a nice professional email, and then you could actually come in here and forward that email to your main email account, maybe your Gmail account or whatever. That means every time you get an email to your hosted email account, then you'll get that email sent to you. So it's pretty cool. So you can always go to Hostzilla, Google Hostzilla, email transfers for more information on that. They've got some great video tutorials here as well. So all this should be set up for you. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a look at your cPanel. Yours will be a little bit different than mine because I kind of customized it. But since I added on a new domain, and you get up to 5 domains, basically the way this would work is I would come here to add on domains, and I would just type in the new domain name, which would be fasttrafficfortune.com. It automatically fills that in. I create my own password here, and then add domain. So this isn't something you'll have to do on the first domain you sign up with Hostzilla, but if you want to add on any more, then you can always do that. Okay, and it says the add-on domain fasttrafficfortune.com has been created. So now I can go back, and I've got a new domain in my hosting account. Fantastic. Okay, so there's a couple ways to add files to your website. You go here to File Manager, you choose the site you want to play with. So Fast Traffic Fortune would be the site. And here I can add all my files through here. Okay, I need to be logged into my hosting to be able to do this. So I can kind of create a page from here, but you don't have to do it this way. One way I like to do it, I'll be showing you this example inside all of the software trainings, is you basically click the link that says set up your FTP, and you'll come here and you'll download and install FileZilla. Okay, so FileZilla is essentially going to allow you to log in remotely to your hosting account and just transfer files back and forth from your computer. So I'll show you how that works. So basically, once you download FileZilla, and there's all the instructions for here on how to do this, but you'll essentially be able to just go in, you'll type in the username you received, you'll type in your website, you'll type in your username you receive, and then you'll type in your password that you created. And then you'll hit Quick Connect, and that's going to pull up your whole site right here. Okay? It's also going to pull up your computer. I wanted to shoot this video so you get an idea of what I'm talking about when I'm dragging all these files back and forth to my server. You may already be familiar with this. If you're a beginner, you may not be. So this is the initial thing you need to do, is you need to go ahead and set up that, get your domain, set up your hosting. But then once you have everything set up, you'll never have to really you won't really have to log back into your hosting and Namecheap accounts unless you want to buy more domains, update your DNS, and then log into your hosting account and pull up those domains, create emails, things like that. But for your daily website building, you won't need to do anything but pull up your FileZilla and just go back and forth. And FileZilla is free. The action steps are going to be to go ahead and get your domain, set up your hosting, and then download the FileZilla file transfer protocol, and then enter your username and password and domain name in there. Make sure all that works, and then you'll be ready to rock and roll and start using these software to their fullest potential. So thanks again for watching this video, and we'll see you in the training.